Here's how Pivot Bio microbes work. Our microbial products capture nitrogen from the air, convert it to a form the plant can use, and provide nitrogen fertilizer directly to the crop all season long. This reliable source of nitrogen fertilizer is applied on seed before planting. Pivot Bio's on-seed application has been verified to ensure plantability, flowability, and even emergence. In the soil, the microbes encapsulate the seed. As the seed germinates, the roots immediately establish a mutually beneficial connection with the microbes. Their role is to capture nitrogen gas from the air, convert it to ammonia, and feed it directly to the corn roots. Pivot Bio's current generation of products deliver the equivalent of 40 pounds of nitrogen fertilizer per acre. That means a seed box treated with Pivot Bio has the nitrogen equivalent of 1,200 gallons of anhydrous ammonia, or 5 tons of urea, or 1,700 gallons of UAN. Farmers can be confident with Pivot Bio as the foundation of their nitrogen program. It's a predictable source of nitrogen across all soil types. It does not wash away during weather events, nor does it volatilize into the air. It stays put, weather or not, until the job is done.